Frank Miller's Ronin? Interesting. Very interesting. But where's the turtle? Yeah. Hello there. Nice to see you again. So, I was just reading this new comic book, The Last Ronin. But I can check this out later. Anyway, welcome back and join me. So, what are we doing in today's episode, KH? Well, you see, since Paul Christian and I are doing this ninja pizza thing, where we talk about pizza, we talk about turtles and ninjas and eat pizza, then I thought this would be a good time to show you guys the new action figure I bought. Yeah. But before we do that, last time we checked out and unboxed the Last Ronin action figure. So this is a pretty cool action figure right here, and you have this bad boy over here. This is the Last Ronin. He comes with all the weapons of the other Ninja Turtles. And I'm not gonna spoil and say who the Last Ronin is. If you haven't read the comic book, I totally recommend checking it out. If you're a Ninja Turtles fan, then definitely check it out. It's one of the coolest comic books I've read in a long time. Yeah. Okay. So obviously, we have done this action figure. So yes, in today's episode, we are gonna unbox and talk about the Last Ronin. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, the Unarmored edition. Yes, so this is a variant of the Last Ronin where he's bare-chested. Very cool figure. He looks a bit down and depressed right here, but don't worry. Looks pretty badass like this. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, but KH, my dude, how many Last Ronin action figures do you need? Well, I mean, I'm a huge fan of this franchise. I love the Ninja Turtles, and I definitely love also the Last Ronin universe, if you want to call it that. So I did not mind us getting, like, they're coming out another action figure from the Last Ronin. I think they're doing more because, let me show you something really cool. So when I put these two boxes next to each other, you have this picture here. And as you guys can see, there's obviously something going on here. So it'll be interesting to see. Now I have to buy all of them. Anyway, let's open this bad boy and check them out. Yeah. Okay, so here we have the Last Ronin box. I'll just show it to you. So here's the illustration on this side, and here's the arm of the other figure we had last time. And as before, you have these really cool pictures on the back side of the box. That's really cool. And yeah, so it says number 2. You have who made the figure, so you have the guys involved. And then let's open this up. Here you have another cool picture. And here you have the action figure and all the accessories. Now that's pretty cool. Like last time, he has 2 heads and all these hands and different things. Okay, I'm gonna open them up and we'll take a closer look. Okay guys, we are back. So this is our Last Ronin action figure from Neca, the unarmored version. And where do we start? Let's just dive right in, I guess, and start with the Last Ronin himself. I really like these Neca figures. They're all really cool, and the turtle figures they have are amazing. So, this guy here looks very different from the other guy we had last time, because now you get to see his muscles, you get to see his biceps, and he just looks amazing. I mean, this figure, the paint job is so well done. And not just the paint job, but like the details. Look at his scars. Look at his muscles. Look at that. That's really good. Yeah, okay, so from the waist down, he looks more or less identical to the other version we had. He's got like one of each knee pad, just like last time. He's got his utility belt. He's got like the, yeah, same clothing. He's got his sandals. And he has his cool wrist armor with scars and, I mean, cuts and dents and everything from all the badass battles he's been in. Yeah. And just look at his shell. That is really cool too. Okay, so the next thing, how flexible is he and how much articulation do we have? You can bend his arms, you can like take out his arms a little bit. Adrian! Okay, so you can also, I mean, not much, but he has a little bit articulation here, and you can bend his chest a little bit back and forth. Yeah. Not too bad. Not nearly as much as the Spawn figures we have from McFarlane Toys, but this is pretty good. And let's check out the articulation he's got in his legs. So he can do a front kick. Yeah, he can do a proper front kick. You can bend his knees. So you can do a flying knee. And the most important question I know you guys are thinking about and asking right now, can he do a proper side kick? Yeah, let's see. I mean, sure, that's not too bad. You have to fix his form a little bit. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, he can straighten out your knee, dude. Okay, that's not bad. And you can, he's got articulation in his ankle. So, I mean, you can take this down a little bit and do a more of a karate style sidekick, like like this. Or you can have him more like this and do a taekwondo sidekick. Anyway, who cares? Another very cool thing. I like this. This is silly, but that's doesn't matter. It has to be this way. He can do like a proper Van Damme fighting pose. Look at that. Okay, so this figure is pretty awesome. And now let's have a look at all his accessories. And as I said, like, do we really need another Last Ronin action figure? Yeah, why not? Because now we get some more weapons. And that is pretty cool, because if you have the other version and now you have this, then you have two of Raphael's sai, and you got another nunchuck, so you can dual wield the nunchucks or the sai. You get this broken weapon, broken katana. You know, if you guys read the comic, you know that's a pretty dark chapter. And yeah, you get another tonfa, so you can dual wield the tonfas. Okay, I like the accessories we got there. So we have also an extra head. None of these ones look as angry as the one we had last time. If anything, he kind of looks confused here. We have these bandanas. You can attach them to the back of his head, 2 different types. Like this. Okay, let's get it in there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And you have some extra hands. Now, the coolest 2 accessories, in my opinion. Oh, wait. Yeah, you also have some throwing knives. Last time we had shurikens. Now you have these throwing knives that he had. He used these in the comic book against these military-grade robotic foot soldier guys. But anyway, the 3 coolest items are, without a doubt, the broken katana, Splinter's ninjutsu book. This is amazing. And I almost thought you could open it, but you can't. Still pretty cool. And we have this little fella here. The Mauser dog. He looks cool. So that's nice. I like this guy. Yeah. So there we have the unarmored Last Ronin and his accessories. Very nice. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys. I mean, I just had to line him up like this. So this is our hero, ready to finish things. He's depressed. He's really depressed because he doesn't know how to read. At least he has his dog. Like, everything's very dark now. I mean, this is not a pet. This is a killer robot. Anyway, so you can do a lot of cool poses with these new figures. I mean, look at that. So that's pretty darn awesome. I just couldn't help myself. I had to see if I could put him in the same or something similar to the pose he has. Give me a second. Here. Yeah. And as I said, so now with 2 of everything, I could actually dual wield the Tonfa on my other Last Ronin. Yeah, pretty darn cool. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys, for our second Last Ronin action figure unboxing video. I mean, it seems they're gonna do more, so I'm stoked. I mean, first of all, let's just talk about this one. I'm not sure which one I like better. I guess I kind of like the first one better in a sense, because that's like the classic look that he has in the comic books, like here. But at the same time, having him bare-chested, unarmored, it makes sense. I mean, that's a very cool action figure. And as I mentioned, it's now I have more weapons and more stuff, so that's nice too. Okay, now, yeah, I'm excited to see what else is coming out. I mean, they've probably announced all of them. I just can't remember right now, so I don't know what the next one is. But so now, as I said, this was number 1. This is number 2. We'll see what comes out, or is on the way out, or maybe something has already been released. Anyway, thanks guys for hanging out and checking out this awesome figure with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cowabunga, dudes. Let's read some proper Last Ronin. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Radical.